When you open your website, then browser display this site cannot be provide a secure connection. At that time, you have to install SSL certificate in your website. In Hostinger, how to install a free SSL certificate in your website. So let's start how to install SSL certificate. Give message, this site cannot provide a secure connection. At that time, you have to install secure SSL certificate. Hostinger provide free SSL certificate. First open your HPanel, then scroll down, try to find SSL option. This is my SSL option. I click on it. After that, the install will start. SSL being installed. So click close pop-up, then wait, installing. After installing, you will get pop-up notification. SSL install for imapseducational.edu.np. Now status active. So go back to your website and reload. Now your website secure. You will get this lock sign. In this way, you can easily install SSL certificate. If you like this video, please like. If you have any problem, please comment on this video. Thank you.